We begin our birthday list with Bryna Peter, who's celebrating her 12th birthday, reminding us that some warm spring and summer weather is on the way. She is celebrating in Chanute. A very happy birthday.
All right, Alyssa Carter turning 25 years old this year. What a great picture there of Alyssa in Iola, Kansas.
Ryan Clark has his 27th birthday. Ryan, a very happy birthday in Columbus.
All right, in Nevada, TJ Pike celebrating birthday number 32 this year. Happy birthday, TJ.
From TJ to AJ, there's AJ Reno. He is celebrating his 39th birthday and resplendent in the tux. Maybe he wears the tux on his birthday each year. Could be. We do not know. Happy birthday to AJ in Humboldt.
Bringing the stash back, too. All right, and we've got Dusty Elbrader turning 41 years old this year. What a great family picture for Dusty there. Happy birthday from Sammy, Daisy, and Bentley.
Our good friend Tanya Kleffman. She is celebrating her 47th birthday. Miss Tanya, long time no see, and a very happy birthday to you as she celebrates in the Berg.
Happy birthday, Tanya. And happy birthday wishes going out to Joan Birdsong. Joan is celebrating number 86 this year in Girard.
Now, for all your animal care needs, there's Crystal Holder. So if you're going to be out at Girard Animal Hospital, say hello to the good doctor. She is a veterinarian out there. And Crystal wants you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from your tech.
I love that she's wearing the Fritz's hat, though.
Oh, yeah.
Great restaurant. Yeah. All right, happy birthday, Crystal. And happy birthday going out to Alicia Hobart in Joplin. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Well, that gentleman right there on the right, smart man. Uh-huh. Smart man. He's like, I ain't gonna forget. And here's how I'm gonna do that. We're gonna get married on your birthday, Miss Alicia. And so the gentleman there on the right is Randy, Alicia's husband for the last 22 years. And so congratulations to the Hobart. Happy birthday to Alicia, and then congratulations to the Hobarts as well as they celebrate 22 years of wedded bliss.
Always just, it's all gravy unless he forgets both of them.
Guaranteed he's never forgotten in 22 years.
I hope not.
Mark my words.
Yeah. Happy anniversary, Hobarts.
We've got a very, very special birthday on Parsons.
Yeah, we do.
Miss Grace Warsler Cass. And the birthday card says it all right there. Miss Cass is celebrating her 100th birthday. Grace, from all of us here at KOM and Fox 14, a very, very happy birthday to you, ma'am, as she is in Parsons. And I know everybody in Parsons that knows Miss Cass, either stop by, tell her happy birthday, or give her a honk on the way past the Cass household right there. That is tremendous. Rhys Horton celebrating a 15th birthday in Carthage. Rhys wants you to know that this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa. Brandon Favuzzi, a happy birthday from your mom and your stepdad as Brandon celebrates his 18th birthday. And James Ochoa, he's turning 56. James is in Joplin. And James, this comes with love from mom, dad, brother, and sister. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all.